course I've told him I want him there. I've told him what it means to me, and I've told
Chris, you know what, he's your son, mate, come be there, mate.
He doesn't seem to care, or he doesn't seem to understand. Nigel, Benn gets it. His son's in the biggest fight of his career. He's with him.
Be there, mate. This is a family affair, mate. We need you there, mate.
My father doesn't get it.
And your son is about to fight in one of the biggest fights in the history of British boxing.
Mate, coming back, your son.
What can you do?
Look, life is much bigger than a fight, and it's much bigger than Saturday. And senior should be very proud of junior. And I hope that they can, rekindle their relationship, because it's important.